today's video, I'm going to take you along with me deep cleaning my fridge because it's dirty and it needs to be organized and clean. So that's what we're doing today. If you want to clean with me, clean with me. Okay, so I got my camera all set up and now I'm going to clean the fridge. This is my fridge. It's a mess. So I'm going to start on the door and take all this out and wash all these containers, reorganize all this stuff. So I'm getting started.
Every change has a reason.
Okay, so I took all the doors out except for this one because I'm just gonna wipe that one down. I'm gonna clean the fridge door now.
Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Okay, so the camera's charged and now I'm gonna clean the inside of the fridge.
So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna wash off all the things and then put them back in and then I'm gonna organize.
Wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Okay, so I done the fridge. I'll take you guys for a tour in a minute. Let me clean up here.
Baby, we should start living now.
So that's it. Stay tuned for my next deep cleaning vlog. Bye! Make sure you subscribe.